Hi, I'm Becca Barry, and today I'm going to show you how to make a cutout 2D moving puppet. So we're going to be using cardboard to draw pictures, cut them out and get them to move. If you are new to animation and you want some more tips on how to actually animate the puppet and how to set up your filming device, then I have made a film that's on this channel about getting started with animation, so I would recommend that you watch that first and then come back to this. I think this is a really fun way of animating. It gets to combine drawing with stop motion animation. I hope you like it and I hope you have fun, and don't forget to experiment. Doesn't matter if you make mistakes, because that's how the things you make are just going to get better and better. Enjoy and happy animation.